Hey, welcome back, everyone. Gonna open up some sports cards today, and today we're gonna open up something that I've actually had a really hard time trying to find in stores. Not trying to go online, buy all this stuff online, wait for shipping. I do like the brick and mortar experience. So finally, I did, wander into a store. I found two of these. They're the Panini Chronicles. Uh, I've opened these for the football cards before. They've been fun, got some good stuff. And I've never opened this guy right here. It's a hanger box. It's Panini Select. I don't know how good the cards are. Not too sure what's in here. I do know that all three sets can contain autographs. And I'm a big sucker for autographs and even the memorabilia stuff. So let's go ahead and get started and maybe get some good rookies. Oh, come on. There we go. See, easier to open than the magic packs. Jalen Suggs, I can see that already. Come on, something good. Zaire Williams. Oh. Flip that. Chris Duarte. Flip again. Brandon Boston. I see something coming up. Evan Mobley. Jalen Green. What do we got right there? Neemias Queta. I will admit, basketball is not the sport I follow the closest, but we'll know at the end. Kai Jones, if I was able to do good. Recon Ayo Dosunmu, excuse me. Moses Moody. Whoop. Got some stuck there. What's that? Jaden Springer. Josh Christopher. Jared Butler. Okay. You know, they look obviously very similar to the football versions of those cards, but I'll tell you, it's the football names just come to me a lot easier. Open up, got a bunch of like Trevor Lawrence rookie cards that was cool. Getting some of the older sets and getting some of the Justin Herberts. Like I said, I did well with those. Josh Christopher. Matthew Hurt. Kai Jones. I think that's the second time we've seen him. Scotty Barnes. Something good might be coming up. Frank Wagner. Isaiah Jackson. It's a nice looking card. Wow, even got my reflection in it. So we're gonna Cunningham again. Look at this. That is a neat looking card. Man. That is pretty cool. Nothing really special on the back, but the front, that is actually a really cool looking card. Another Isaiah Jackson. Yeah. Jonathan Kuminga. They just keep flipping these. Another Isaiah Jackson again. Keon Johnson. Corey Kispert. Davion Mitchell. These are pretty neat too, looking like the older NBA cards. Anyway, those are the two sets of Panini Chronicles. I think they're actually officially like Panini Chronicles draft picks. So I don't think we did too bad. I doubt we're going to make our money back on that one. Those packs were like $7 each, $8 each. And this was somewhere in the neighborhood of $20. So didn't Didn't spend too much. But you know, also lower reward. Or it's one of these sets. Don't get to open any more packs, but we're gonna put you right there, and now I have a basketball one to go with all the rest. And hopefully, you know, down the road, we'll get more of them. Because just because I don't follow basketball as well doesn't mean those cards are worth any less, or I can't find any of the nicer cards. Speaking of nicer cards, look at this one. Brandon Ingram. That is a cool looking card. These are pretty looking cards. Ben Simmons, okay. Getting into some names I know. Tyrell Terry. Pretty neat. LaMarcus Aldridge. Okay. Victor Oladipo. Names I recognize. Isaac Okoro. Hey, that might be worth a couple bucks. Why not? Best player when he steps on the court. Precious Achiuwa. Kawhi Leonard. Dante DiVincenzo. Caleb Martin. Rui Hachimura. Oh, look at that. It's got to be, I think they call it Wave or something. Can't remember. That's a pretty cool card. Nikola Vucevic. Alexej Pokusevski. Cassius Stanley. And all the different colors. It is pretty cool. Okay. Zion. Guy's a monster. I hope that might be worth a couple bucks. Let's hope. Patty Mills. Tim Hardaway Jr. Look at that. Neat. In the recap, I hope I break even.